The wrong cycle move is happening right now. By the end of this video, you will have the three-part blueprint that separates retirement holders who grow through this correction from the ones who get shaken out of it. Bitcoin peaked at $126,000 in October 2025. It is trading near $66,500 today. That is a 47% decline. In May 2026 alone, spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded $2.30 billion in net outflows, the largest monthly exit of the year. The panic is not imaginary. It is in the data. Most holders over 50 are treating this like a trading problem. They are watching support levels, calculating entry points, trying to outsmart a market that has no memory of their retirement timeline. Smart holders understand something different. This is not a trading problem at all. It is a time problem. And a retirement horizon measured in decades is the only tool in this market that makes prediction irrelevant. Here is the insight that should end your anxiety about this correction. A trader needs to be right twice: when to exit and when to buy back in. A retirement holder only needs to be right once. That Bitcoin will be worth more when they stop working than it is today. Those are not the same game. And the people exiting right now are playing a game you have no obligation to enter. Let us look at what actually happened. In late May 2026, Bitcoin broke below $73,000 and triggered nearly $386 million in single-day liquidations. Long positions across major exchanges were eliminated in a single session. ETF outflows ran for 10 consecutive trading days. The fear and greed index dropped into extreme fear territory. Macro pressure arrived from every direction at once. Sticky inflation, Federal Reserve uncertainty, and geopolitical risk all converged in the same 10-day window. This pattern repeats in every major Bitcoin correction. The surface story changes. The underlying structure does not. Fear rises. Narratives form around the fear. Cycle top arguments get assembled from real data points, and each individual signal taken alone looks like it justifies the most expensive decision a long-term retirement holder can make. Here is the trap. Selling during a correction sounds like disciplined capital protection. It feels rational. It has been tested across every documented Bitcoin cycle. The outcome is always the same. Most holders who exit during a major correction never buy back at a lower price. They wait for confirmation the bottom is in. By the time that confirmation arrives, the price has already recovered. They buy back higher than they sold, or they never buy back at all. A temporary unrealized loss becomes a permanent realized one. That is not risk management. That is the most costly behavioral pattern in retirement wealth building. And it becomes most appealing exactly when it is most destructive. Here is what almost no cycle commentary addresses directly. A short-term trader has a time constraint. Their position needs to perform on a schedule. They answer to quarterly benchmarks, to mark-to-market pressure, to investors watching weekly returns. A 47% drawdown breaks their business model. They have no option but to react. Your retirement timeline is different in a way that matters completely. Your Bitcoin does not need to perform this quarter. It needs to be worth more when you stop working than it is today. That is a completely different problem, and the current correction does not touch it. Picture David, 57, in Dallas. He built his position through 2 previous major drawdowns. He ran his monthly accumulation through the full 2022 correction without changing a single input. He did not call the bottom. He did not time the recovery. He stayed in a game that does not require prediction to produce retirement wealth. Pause for a moment. Picture your own portfolio in 2033. Same coins, different world. The correction you are watching right now is noise inside a signal that spans a decade. Here is the number that frames what comes next. The median 401k balance for Americans aged 55 to 64 is $87,571. At the 4% withdrawal rule, that generates $3,503 a year. That is $292 a month. That is not a retirement. If you want to understand exactly why a 0.15 Bitcoin position structurally outperforms every 401k model over a retirement window, make sure you are subscribed. We are publishing that exact calculation on Friday. That is the number this entire blueprint is built around. Here is the framework. Part 1. Maintain your accumulation schedule without exception. This is the move most retirement holders abandon when prices fall. It is the move the math consistently rewards. Bitcoin exchange reserves currently sit at 2.21 million coins. That is a 7-year low and just 5.88% of total circulating supply, the lowest available for sale ratio since December 2017. When you pause your accumulation during this correction, you are stepping back from acquiring a fixed supply asset at the precise moment it is least available on exchanges and most discounted in price. At the October 2025 peak of $126,000, a $500 monthly contribution acquired a fraction of a scarce asset. At current prices near $66,500, that same $500 acquires roughly 90% more Bitcoin per dollar. That is not a crisis. That is a compounding advantage that paused accumulators hand directly to consistent ones. A note before continuing. This is not financial advice, and every investor should speak with a qualified financial advisor before adjusting any retirement strategy. What I am describing is the structural logic of systematic accumulation applied to a fixed supply asset. Part 2. Remove timing from your strategy entirely. Selling during a correction and waiting to buy back in introduces a timing variable into a strategy that was working precisely because it did not require timing. Bitcoin experienced corrections of roughly 85% in 2015, 84% in 2018, and 77% in 2022. In every documented case, holders who maintained their position through the drawdown outperformed those who sold and tried to buy back in. Not in most cases, in all of them. Buying back in requires a second correct decision. Most investors never make it. They wait for confirmation. By the time that confirmation arrives, the bottom has already passed. Part 3. Read the on-chain data correctly. The noise you are hearing comes from a specific source. Short-term holders who entered Bitcoin in the last 6 months watched gains disappear and are now making decisions based on a 10-day fear window. Their pain is real, but it is not a signal about Bitcoin's long-term value. It is a signal about their time horizon. The holders who built positions through multiple cycles are showing you something different. As of early 2026, long-term Bitcoin holders control approximately 14.8 million Bitcoin. That is 75% of the entire circulating supply held by wallets that have not moved funds in 155 days or more. They held through the decline from $126,000. They are holding now. When short-term participants are in extreme fear and long-term holders are steady, you're looking at the same structural pattern that preceded recovery in 2019 and after the 2022 cycle low. The noise says exit. The on-chain data says hold. One of those signals has a verified record across 4 major Bitcoin cycles. The other has a 10-day window and a fear and greed reading in the single digits. Smart retirement holders know exactly which signal belongs in their framework. Here is the complete picture. The correction you are in is real. It is 47% from the all-time high of $126,000. It is uncomfortable at daily scale. And it is entirely consistent with every Bitcoin cycle that has ultimately produced long-term retirement wealth for systematic holders. Most holders will make the wrong cycle move this month. They will exit during the period when long-term holders are most steady, when exchange reserves are at a 7-year low, and when the on-chain pattern matches the setup that preceded every prior recovery. Here is what the historical record actually shows. Bitcoin recovered from corrections of 85% in 2015, 84% in 2018, and 77% in 2022. In every completed cycle, holders who stayed through the drawdown own an asset that reached new all-time highs. Holders who sold converted temporary unrealized losses into permanent realized ones. The risk is not staying in Bitcoin through a 47% correction. The risk is exiting a fixed supply asset at maximum fear and holding a currency that the Federal Reserve has expanded consistently since 2008. Your three-part blueprint is clear. Maintain your accumulation. Remove timing from your strategy. Read the on-chain signal over the fear narrative. Most holders over 50 who stay in this game through June 2026 will look back at this month as the period when the weak hands gave up their position. The next question is specific. What is the exact Bitcoin threshold that makes this strategy outperform every 401k in America? That answer starts with 0.15 Bitcoin. The previous video maps the 6 wealth levels of Bitcoin retirement and shows exactly which level most holders actually sit at. Most are 2 levels lower than they think. That link is on screen now.